Do you ever wonder how some people are making a ton of money on TikTok Shop without ever touching a single product? It's all about dropshipping, and a tool you've probably heard of is Spocket. But here's the million-dollar question: can you actually connect Spocket directly to TikTok Shop? The answer, like with many things in the e-commerce world, is a little more complex than a simple yes or no. When you're trying to build a dropshipping business, the dream is to have everything seamlessly integrated. You find a product on a supplier platform, you push it to your store, a customer buys it, and the supplier handles the rest. Spocket is a fantastic tool for this, especially for those who want to dropship high-quality products from suppliers in the US and Europe. It integrates beautifully with major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it easy to create a professional online store. But TikTok Shop is a different beast. It's a powerful platform for social commerce, but its integration capabilities with third-party tools are still evolving. This means the direct, one-click connection you might be used to with Shopify and Spocket isn't quite the same with TikTok Shop. So, how do you make it work? The current path involves a workaround, but don't let that discourage you. It's a completely viable and effective strategy that many successful dropshippers are already using. The key is to think of your main e-commerce store as the central hub of your business, and TikTok Shop as a powerful marketing and sales channel that funnels customers there. Here's a simplified breakdown of the process. You'll start by setting up your primary dropshipping store, likely on a platform like Shopify, and connecting it with Spocket. This is where you'll import all the amazing products you find on Spocket, the fast shipping, high-quality items that will keep your customers happy. Your Shopify store becomes your home base for product listings, order management, and all the behind-the-scenes operations. Next, you need to set up your TikTok business account and your TikTok Shop. This is where you'll create all your engaging, viral content. You'll make videos showing off your products, demonstrating their features, and creating a sense of urgency and excitement. The magic happens when you use TikTok's product tagging feature. You can tag the products directly in your videos, which links users to your TikTok Shop. But here's the crucial part: while you can't get that direct, automatic synchronization from Spocket to TikTok Shop, you can manually upload your product catalog from your primary store. So, you export your product data from your Shopify store and then import it into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. This means you'll have the same products listed on both platforms. When an order comes in through TikTok Shop, you go back to your main store, find the corresponding product, and manually fulfill the order through Spocket. It's not as automated as a direct integration, but it's a small price to pay for tapping into TikTok's massive audience. You'll need to be diligent about monitoring your orders and inventory, but it's a system that works. The benefits are huge. You get to leverage Spocket's network of vetted suppliers and fast shipping times, which is critical for customer satisfaction. At the same time, you're using TikTok's incredible organic reach and social commerce features to drive sales. It's the best of both worlds. You're building a sustainable dropshipping business with a solid foundation while harnessing the power of the world's fastest-growing social media platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.